Good morning, everyone. There is no going back to Thursday protest. I know that there is tension on the ground and a lot of things are going on, especially the federal government. They are trying their best. They are making sure that this protest will not hold by all means. But you know what? They are taking the wrong steps, and everyone that is advising Tinubu may abandon him when the time comes. Now, why did I say that anyone advising Tinubu may abandon him? Because what the Inspector General of Police is talking is different from what the rest of the police are talking. What maybe the army chief or army spokesperson, what he said on Arise News is totally different from what the people are talking. Now, let me give you an example of what I'm saying. I was traveling from around Abuja to Okene yesterday by road. So a lot of, checking points that we come across, most of the soldiers are asking, will you people be protesting on Thursday? Some of my friends were trying to shy away from it. They are saying no. 3 checking points consecutively. 3 soldiers asked us the same question. Are you people protesting? When you say no, they will tell you that you are not a good citizen and hunger will kill you. That is just exact statement they were using. Hunger will kill you. So what the soldiers are literally saying is that they are supporting the protest. That is what they are literally saying. Now, the policemen, they are saying that if you people want to protest, protest peacefully. I hope you people are protesting. There is hunger. Things are not going well. You people should demand for your right to. This is the same language they are speaking. But you know the problem. The Inspector General of Police is talking a different language from the police. The military, the soldiers, they are speaking the same different language from what their heads are talking about. And let me tell you, those heads of police, heads of military, they are saying all those things maybe because they are taking order from Tinubu. They have to please authority. But I am telling you that when the time comes, these people will abandon Tinubu. Any politician advising Tinubu about this protest is not doing him good. What Tinubu is supposed to have done, the whole effort, the whole pressure he has put in to making sure that the protest will know. If Tinubu had put pressure, used that pressure to settle what the masses are demanding, I think people will reconsider. What people are demanding is not something that is not achievable. It's something that is achievable. So Tinubu should put his effort in tackling all those things. If he did not do that, this protest is not ending up. People are preparing for peaceful protest, right? Yes. But you see what? People will not leave the streets until everything they are looking for, they get it. People are not leaving the streets. So it is important Tinubu understand that if anyone is advising you that we take control of the protest, don't worry, we'll handle them. We'll handle them. We'll teach them language they will understand. Let the person know that 2020 is not 2024. People are wiser. People have, we have learned from experience. A lot of things are going on, gathering people, showing play card, no protest, trying to sponsor people to say no protest. The same people, the reason why they are now federal government to use them to come out to snap picture no protest is the same reason why people are protesting hunger. They needed the money that the federal government is about to give them. You understand? They needed the money. So that is the issue. The federal government must understand this. It's a very simple fact. This protest must go on. There is no 2 ways about it. There is no 2 ways about it. So that is the situation in Nigeria. That is, I think the tension in Nigeria is being caused by government. When you come out from all angle now, even people are trying to relocate from places that will be safer. Politicians are running away. Come on, all these things are supposed not to happen like this. The federal government is supposed just to listen to what the masses are saying. Because they are wasting their time. At the end, they will still listen. No matter how they try to shy away what is going on now. And then that this morning, the bag of rice, they just reduced it to 40,000 per bag. Federal government started standing rice 40,000. They signed minimum wage 70,000 into law. And they are doing everything. They are not doing gara-gara just to make sure they please the public. But it is late already. Very, very late. So what I would advise Tinubu to do, if I am his advisor, fortunately, I can't be his advisor and I will never be his advisor. If I'm his advisor, what I will advise Tinubu to do is that let him come and begin to attend to what people demanded. What people demanded is not that much. You are paying fuel subsidy and people are buying fuel 800, 850, 750 PMS price. It's not supposed to be so. Now, let him bring back fuel to 200 naira. I know that he's enriching himself and his family. There is an oil cartel in Nigeria that are holding us to ransom. If Tinubu can reduce the price of fuel to 200, that is first message. Let him reduce the fuel to 200. Then let him release the likes of Nnamdi Kanu. If you release Nnamdi Kanu, he have solved insecurity situation in the southeast. There is no two ways about it. If you release Nnamdi Kanu now, situation in the southeast, that one, you have solved it. Then with the fuel, with bringing fuel price to, let me say, the 200. If you bring fuel price to 200, you have solved the problem of inflation. So inflation will just drop overnight. Let him try it. Let him bring that fuel price to 200. Inflation will drop. You see, he's solving the problem. Now, before we begin to talk about constitution, let him call the National Assembly. When they were about to change the national anthem to old one, it took them only a day or 2 days. Then they should do something. Scrap the constitution, call people, let them have a constitution. I can't see a constitution of a country where you don't have a, what is it called? You don't have referendum that people can, you know, say we have to conduct a referendum and determine whether we'll stay together or not. This is 2024. This is not 2023. This is not 1960, where you force people to stay together in a contraption where they never wanted to stay together. It is time we talk to ourselves, reason together, and do things peacefully. So everything is not all about war. Everything is not all about crisis. We've got to do this thing together. So when he do that, they change the constitution. People will now say you are working. See, Tinubu have opportunity to lay a legacy that people will use to remember him. Yes, he have the opportunity. But you know what? If he did not know that, he still have opportunity to become the worst person, the worst president ever, the worst person that people will remember tomorrow. Maybe they will start cursing him. He still have the opportunity to change the whole narrative. By the beginning, drop down fuel, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. If you want to negotiate with bandits in the north, go and negotiate with them. Negotiate with Boko Haram. Anyhow you want to solve the problem, solve it too. Solve it. After all, you said you want to become president. They did not force you to enter that seat. We did not, even though people did not vote for you, you entering that seat, you are not supposed to give people excuses. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu. When you do that, then people will even praise you. They will say you have done well. You still have the opportunity to do well. Yes, Tinubu still have opportunity to do well. But unfortunately, people are not advising him well. And when this jungle go mature, this jungle that the federal government are trying to play, this game they are trying to play, if the jungle mature, they will run and leave Tinubu. They will leave him. They will leave him because everyone, Wike was saying, FCT is not available. Hey, FCT is not available for protest. If you know the anger on masses' mind, you know FCT is not available. You think you have crowd, you think you have people? Okay, on Thursday, come and stop us. Yeah, come and stop us on Thursday. We'll come out at Ego Square. Then maybe you send police to come and stop us. We'll know whether it is not the people that owns the land. Because they appointed you as FCT minister, you are talking rubbish. I think the federal government should be very, very careful. The citizens are angry. Going around the whole city, understanding the plight of the masses, people are angry. People are angry. If people see, government officials, in fact, they should be careful on how they move now. Even though you are moving with security, nobody cares about anything because people are hungry. That is the situation all around Nigeria. People are really hungry and people are suffering. So I believe that Tinubu should do something fast to respond to this, because why waiting for the protest to start before he will start responding to them? Why waiting for the protest to start first? Whether he responds to the demands or not, with protest, at the end, he will respond to it. So why waiting for the protest to start before he will respond to it? All boils down to what I said, that people are advising him wrongly. And at the end, they will abandon him.